you live around the capital city, you may have noticed properties like this one pop up more in recent years. The Cardinal North Hills is one of the countless communities around here that's been built exclusively for residents 55 and up, and with demand soaring, we're digging into the reasons behind that.
A lot of folks who are moving into senior living communities these days want to be around the action.
When people think of the Triangle's recent growth, many think of young professionals and recruitment from the area's major universities. But new data shows there's a different demographic on the rise. Jaime Pacheco is the general manager at the Cardinal at North Hills, a 55 and up community that's seen occupancy explode.
We have a lot of folks who are moving from places where they're away from their adult children. They want to be closer to them.
According to city officials, Raleigh residents 65 and older accounted for 8% of the total population in 2010, 9% in 2015, and nearly 11% by 2020. Now it's over 12% and climbing.
As the population grows, as people are moving to Raleigh specifically for this desirable destination and to live closer to their adult children, the need is here.
91-year-old Alice Irby is one of those transplants. She moved to Raleigh to be near her daughter before settling into the Cardinal in July. She says her story's a typical one.
You know, Raleigh's a growing city, as you know, and so a lot of young people are moving here. And when their parents decide to move into a retirement facility, this is a natural place for them to come.
And it's not just the high-rises in high demand. In Cary, Carolina Preserve is a community of 1,360 homes for folks over 55, and they're going fast.
Right now, there are only 2 active listings on the market, and our average number of days since January 1st has been about 10 to 15 days on the market.
Jane Lee is a real estate broker in Carolina Preserve and says major companies like Apple and Amazon make the area attractive to workers, and the temperate weather's an added draw for parents.
And when you add to that we have access to great medical care here, so many retirees research the areas in advance, wanting to make sure that their medical needs can be met.
And Lauren, Steve, construction of these properties only continues to heat up as the baby boomer generation ages. For example, Pacheco says here at the Cardinal, they opened a 19-story high-rise addition to the complex in June. They had 100 move-ins in their first 100 days. That's a figure he said in years past would take about a year to reach. Live in Raleigh, Sean Coffey, ABC 11 Eyewitness News.